Hello guys, I am your Mohit. आपका Aazil. Today we are making kunafa chocolate.
What are you going to make today?
I'm making today kunafa chocolate.
What?
Kunafa chocolate. And condensed milk.
Right.
And chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar. Is this a milk chocolate
Yes.
or a dark chocolate?
Milk chocolate.
Okay.
And this is potatoes and soya.
Soya. Okay.
And I've caked this. This is chocolate mold.
Okay.
So let's get started. First we need a pan. Give me. And lighter. Turn on the flame. We need to add some oil. Crush it well. Give me. Give me one. And also hand wash. I am crushing. And I am mixing.
Is it done, Aazil? Okay. Give me.
Now I am tasting.
No, not right now.
Aazil is making mess.
Is it, Aazil?
No. Yes.
Okay.
First we adding statues.
What is
Now
this?
I add condensed milk.
Half of the cane.
Stop.
Stop, Aazil, stop. Yes, it's enough.
Now I am pushing the button.
1 minute, 1 minute.
So guys, the machine got stuck. This machine.
Okay. So, do you have any solution? This, let's check if it is working or not.
Guys, we don't know if it works or not. Now start.
1 minute.
Finally successful. Now guys, I am putting this paste in some here. Now I am adding green color.
Okay. But not too much, okay? No, not like
You
this.
say little bit only.
Yes. Now mix it
Now
well.
mix it. With juicer.
No, with your hands.
Yes. Boy's power.
Boy's power. Sigma boy.
We need to melt the chocolate. This one. Mmm.
No, here.
This is healthy chocolate. Milk chocolate.
This is not a healthy chocolate.
So the guys, kunafa paste and chocolate is ready. Now we are setting chocolate on the mold. So guys, kunafa is ready. Guys, this is kunafa, my chocolate. Kunafa chocolate. Happy fall. We will enjoy. Bye bye. Bye bye.